Can I do a good job at self-leveling a floor without any previous experience? First off, we need to find out the square meterage, and usually the internal depth multiplied by the width gives you the square meterage. My workshop isn't perfectly square. Obviously we've got one wall shorter than the other. All I have to do is add this length of the wall to that length, multiplying this wall by the full length of both walls, dividing it by 2. 3, 4, 6, 2, 2, 2. So the total for this wall plus that wall, 5.68 meters multiplied by 3.84 meters comes to 21.8 meters squared. Dividing that by 2 is 10.9 meters squared. If I round it up, 11 square meter floor space, that's what I'm looking at covering. Next, you need to decide what sort of leveling compound you need. A lot of them can't be used as a finished surface. They always require something like laminate, lino or tiles over the top. For me, I need one that is a final surface that can just be painted. Also, you've got to check about the depth. There are some parts for me probably require a little bit more than 10 millimeters. A lot of them are 1 millimeter to 10 millimeter depth maximum. I have seen some that can go up to 85 millimeter depth. I've selected a brand that I found online. It can go over 10 millimeter depth. That can be used as a finished surface, can be painted. And if you're not sure, you could always speak to the manufacturer like I did. I've ordered 7 bags, give me an average of 8 millimeters across the whole floor. Some parts will need a little bit more, other parts will require less. And if you're not sure, there's always online calculators that can help you. The other thing that I've ordered is the primer, which helps seal the concrete and creates a better bond between the self-leveling compound and the concrete floor. So the tools for the job, I've got a simple trowel just to smooth it around as I go, and a spiked roller which just helps get all the air bubbles out and makes it nice and smooth. So if you want to see how this turns out, hit follow.